about the anatomy and physiology for the GNM first years, and in this we are going to discuss about the unit 7, that is digestive system. So that the digestive system is very important for the human body for living. So the digestive system, it can be helps in the digestion of the food. So the digestive system, by the digestive system the food can be digested and it can be supplied to the cells of the body. So it can be helps in the and to provide the energy to the cells of the body. So the digestive system, it is also called as alimentary canal, or it is become long tube. So the digestive system, it is also known as alimentary system or alimentary canal. So it is become long tube. So the digestive system can be starts from the mouth and it can be end at the part of the anus. So that is anus, and from the digestive system can be start from the mouth and it can be end at the anal canal. The digestive system is, it includes the parts of the digestive system, it includes the mouth and pharynx and esophagus and stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, and anal canal. So the digestive system can be starts from the mouth and it can be end at the anal canal. So the parts of the digestive system includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, and the stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anal canal. So this is the parts of the digestive system. So the next is the accessory organs of the digestive system. So the accessory organs means it is not a part of the digestive system, but it can be involved in the digestive activity. So it is called as accessory organs. So the accessory organs means the digestive system, the accessory organs, it is not a part of the digestive system, but it can be involved in the digestive activity. So the accessory organs includes the pancreas and liver, gallbladder. So these are all the accessory organs of the digestive system. So the accessory organs includes the pancreas, liver, and the gallbladder. So these three is the accessory organs of the digestive system. So the accessory organs cannot be part of the digestive system, but it can be included in the digestive activity. So it is called as accessory organs, and it includes the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. So the next one is the regions of the abdomen. So the regions, it includes the 9 regions can be divided by the 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. So this is the horizontal lines and this is become vertical lines. So by these 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines, the abdomen can be divided into the 9 regions. So the 9 regions can be divided by the 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. So the right side of the vertical line, it is called as right lateral plane. So next left vertical line, it is called as left lateral plane. So this is the vertical lines. The right one is right lateral plane and the left one is left lateral plane. So the next 2 horizontal lines. So first one is the transpyloric plane. Pyloric plane. So the first one of the horizontal line, it is called as transpyloric plane, and the next one is the transtubular plane, transtubular plane and the transpyloric plane. So these are the horizontal lines. The vertical lines, right lateral plane and the left lateral plane. So by these two horizontal lines and the two vertical lines, the abdomen can be divided into the 9 regions. So the 9 regions includes the first one, right hypochondric region and the epigastric region and the left hypochondrium. So upper part of the abdomen is right hypochondrium and the epigastrium and the left hypochondrium. So the middle part of the abdomen, it is the right lumbar and the umbilical and the left lumbar region of the abdomen. So the lower part of the abdomen is right iliac region and the hypogastric region and the left iliac region. So these 9 regions can be included in the regions of the abdomen. So first right hypochondric, epigastric and the left hypochondric and the right lumbar, umbilical and the left lumbar, right iliac and hypogastric and left iliac. So it completes the regions of the abdomen. And then we can start about the mouth. So that is the first part of the digestive system.